All right, y'all. Greetings from the Hilton Barra in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. We are on the executive floor, on the 8th floor of this hotel. We actually got upgraded to an executive room. So let's check it out. So, we'll start with the sleeping area first. Got your little coffee area. Got a bottle of water. And this stuff right here, some good stuff, y'all. You can't come to Brazil and not drink this. And I apologize in advance if the room's in a little disarray. This is actually towards the end of our trip. We're actually headed out tonight. So this is our bed. It's really big bed, actually. It's like a king size bed. Got your TV right here. Large counter area. Got your drawers. Got a desk area for your computer and whatnot. Got a chair for the desk. You got a lounge chair with a chase. Got my suitcase sitting on it. My bad, guys. That's a mirror. No closet. Well, that's not a closet, I should say. No balcony, though, unfortunately. But we got a pretty decent view of the mountains and its surrounding areas. Got that thing that's down there, the restaurant and whatnot. See the hotel tour. But it's just the roof of it, it looks like. Yeah, the view from up here, and then you got the mall right there, so you can literally walk out the back of this hotel down there, and there's a pathway to the mall. Unfortunately, we didn't make it there this time, but you know, there's always next time. All right, here's your bathroom. As you can see, it's really well lit in here. You got your ring light, the mirror light, that light. Here's the light switch, so you just push it in like that. Turn it back on. The shower. The shower actually gets scalding hot, so that's a good sign. That's a good thing for me, at least. And in here is just your closet. And then you got your safe down here. Yep, got your safe, so you can put all your valuables in there, like passports and stuff like that. But yeah, this is our executive room upgrade. It was pretty decent. Yep, this is our room, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Have y'all been here before? Would you guys stay here? Let us know in the comments. Until then, stay tuned for the next one.